First, this is how you draw a shape. The tool on your toolbar. There are two different ones, the regular one and the frame one. Here I'm drawing a rectangle with the frame tool. These are used differently, and typically if you are just drawing a shape, Mrs. Lukey likes you to use the regular tool. I will show what the frame can be used for later. Additionally, a good tip is if you want the shape to be proportional, hold down Shift when drawing it. Now I'm drawing a circular frame with the ellipse frame tool in the same place as the last one. I'm holding down the Shift key to make sure it is a proportional/perfect circle. Here's a regular rectangle without pressing the Shift key. Now I'm making a regular square while pressing Shift. Then I'm changing the colors and outlines. This is up here where I can adjust the colors and then additionally adjust how thick the outside line is as well. Now, I'm drawing a regular circle while pressing Shift, and I changed its colors as well. For shapes that are not triangles, you can use the polygon tool. A menu pops up where you can then decide how many sides it has, but I'm going to use 3 to show how to make a triangle. By pressing Shift, you can make it equilateral. Then here's the process again with a different number of sides and not pressing down Shift when drawing. On this spread of 2 stories from the December 2018 issue, Carmen Sullivan, features editor in 2018-19, used shapes to make a pencil and then wrapped the text around it. She also laid shapes over each other to make intricate designs. Here, I'm going to recreate this triangle design that Carmen used to draw readers in and do something different with statistics. She drew 3 triangles and made them fit into the color scheme she was going for, and then rotated them. Then I had to arrange the triangles so that the text would be in front of it, so that the triangles were layered. I can go through the Object, Arrange, Send Backward window, but I often like to use the keystroke command plus the bracket that opens left. To do the opposite and bring an object forward, you would do Command plus the bracket that opens right. Hold it down until the object is in front of or behind of what you need. Here's another cool thing I did with the shapes by making them the whole background in the December 2018 issue. You can be creative in a lot of different ways. Something I like to do a lot is type on a path. You can do this with any shape, but it makes the most sense with circles. So first I'm going to draw a normal proportional circle, and then I'm going to draw a frame of the same size. Then I will use the Type on a Path tool and click the frame where I want the text to begin. Now I can resize it and adjust as necessary to make the text proportional with the circle, which can take some messing around with until it looks okay. The text could go on the inside or the outside. I did this a lot on the 2018 February issue, 48 Hours on the Phone page when I was writing on top of pie graphs. Finally, you can put photos inside shapes other than squares or rectangles. I'm going to draw an octagon and then I'm going to go to File, Place, a photo inside. I'm going to speed this up a bit because it took me a while to find the picture. Then when I place it and double click to get the orange border, I can readjust the photo without moving the octagon shape so the photo fits how I want. Make sure you hold down Shift so that the photo stays proportional.